Guys, this is 2010 VW GTI 2-liter engine. So this car had a problem. Is one check engine light is on. I scanned the car. I found the code in the p0171 code. So the system lean bank 1. So I'm going to check what's the problem. I'm going to do the smoke test and check any manifold, any. Okay guys, you can see the check engine light is on. Car is start. You can see the code p0171, fuel trim bank 1, system 2 lean. So that means some, I think, like air leak somewhere. So I'll do the smoke test first, then have a look what's going on. Okay, here's my smoke tester, and put the wire and jump to the battery. And in here they come in smoke. And turn on the machine and the smoke. There come smoke liquid. We have a couple of meters for the weight. You can see the smoke come out. Then we have to check for the manifold. Anywhere is leaking some smoke. Still cannot see anywhere. So machine is still running. Okay guys, I can't find the smoke coming out, but at the manifold is some coming around this area. You can see. So it's coming top of the, you can see in here, and this between the starter motor. You can see it's coming through the starter motor side. So you can see the little gap is come through then there. At PCV valve, you can off this oil cap. You can see the smoke. So this bad PCV valve, that's why the air leakage inside of the PCV valve. That's why the p0171 code is logging. So we need to replace this PCV valve. Okay guys, this is the new PCV valve. It's called oil separator. So you can see the bolt here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and you can see the other side. You can see the valve in here is pressing softly. And they come gasket. So it's coming in here. So that one we need to replace. We need to off these coil packs and the T-sockets. Off this coil pack. We need these torque bits. It's a T30. You can see it. It's a T30. Yep. Okay. Swell is working, it's okay. Make sure this o-ring is a good condition. Yeah, it's alright. There's another o-ring in here. I'm gonna clean this one. Okay guys, I'm going to install the new PCV valve. Make sure the gasket is okay. Okay guys, we put back everything together. So I'm going to start the car. Guys, checking your light is still on. So I'm going to erase the code. Okay, check light is gone. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.